guys, luto muna tayo guys, gulay guys. Guys, kalabasa, Filipino menu. Kalabasa, sili, luya, lemongrass. Okay guys. Plus this isda, fish. Meron pa tayong ano guys, lady finger. Gasan mo natin guys sa kamote. Guys, luto tayo ng ano guys, Filipino food. Ito guys, fish, then kalabasa guys, and this one lady finger, and lemongrass, plus leaves of the sweet potato guys. Ko na guys. Two minutes guys cooking guys. So you know guys, I like this soup guys. Manamis-namis guys. Yari ibahaw na to guys. This is the best guys food. See guys, kalabasa guys. Filipino food mo. This is the specialty in the simple menu guys. In Tagalog, in Bisaya guys, lawoy. Lawoy guys, lawoy. Yummy guys, yummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. Okay, kain na ikaw. Yung bunso namin guys.
Today I might be doing one of the most
Hot yan.
evil things.
Anong sabi mo? Hindi kasi ito kumakain ng gulay guys. Kaya pag nandito ako guys, napipilitan niyang kumakain ng gulay guys. Pero ngayon guys, okay na yan sa kanya guys. Oh, what did you say, Jed? Ha? You like? Kain ka ng gulay kasi pampalakas yan eh. Gulay, yung lady finger. Ano masabi mo? Baka napilitan ka lang. Ubusin mo talaga yan ha. Ako nagluto niyan. Kami lang kasing dalawa ngayon guys. Kasi si Mrs. may trabaho guys. Kaya wow, good. Good job Jed, good job. Tingin ka sa akin. Ha? Tingin ka sa akin. Kailangan ubusin mo talaga yan. Yung ano, yung gulay na ano, yan dahon. Sweet potato leaves.
I need more soup.
Soap?
Yeah.
Okay. Gusto niyan sabaw guys. Dagdagan ko na sabaw guys. Ano, ubos na?
I literally can't see that.
Ah, very good.
No?
Sige na, yung sabaw. Ubusin mo na yan. Ayaw mo na.
Goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. Put your hands up. Put them up.